Hi friends, this is iGen Buddies and you are watching iGen Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Indian Air Force recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies, so the final years also are eligible for this job. So we can check the details of the job. The qualification needed for the post is BE or BTech or any degree. The total posts are 256 and the job location is all over in India. The last date for application is 14th July 2020. So the eligibility criteria are for flying branch minimum 60% marks each in maths and physics at +2 level. For graduates 3-year course in any discipline from a recognized university who have attained minimum 60% marks or equivalent. Or for BE BTech students, that is 4-year course from a recognized university with minimum 60% marks or equivalent. For ground duty technical posts, aeronautical engineering, electronics or mechanical, candidates with minimum of 50% marks in each physics and mathematics at +2 level and minimum 4 years of degree graduation or integrated post-graduation qualification in engineering technology from recognized university or cleared sections A and B examinations of associated memberships of institutions of engineers. For ground duty non-technical posts in Administration Act, the passed in +2 level and graduate degree in any disciplines from a recognized university, the minimum of 60% marks or equivalent. In Education Act, passed +2 level and post-graduation with 50% in any discipline, including integrated courses offering PG. For metrology side, postgraduate degree in any discipline, science stream or mathematics or statistics, geography, computer applications, environmental science, applied physics, oceanography, meteorology, agricultural meteorology, ecology and environment, geophysics, environmental biology with a minimum of 50% marks. So there will be a special for NCC candidates also. For NCC special entry, the minimum 60% marks in maths and physics and graduate 3-year course or BTech 4-year course. For physical fitness test, candidates should aim to achieve an ability to run 1 mile in 10 minutes, do 10 push-ups and 3 chin-ups. Prospective candidates are also advised to keep themselves in good physical condition to adapt to physical training at AFA, which encompasses running, swimming, rope climbing and other forms of physical training or conditioning in which they would undergo mandatory tests during testing. So there will be an age limit for flying branch 20 to 24 years old and for ground duty technical or non-technical 20 to 26 years old. So this is the branch wise vacancies. So we can check how to select for AFCAT examination. So there will be a written examination. Stage 1, there will be a 2-stage process for selection. In stage 1, officer intelligence rating test along with picture perception and discussion test. In stage 2, psychological test, group test and interview would commence after document check for the next 5 days. And there will be a medical examination. So there is an examination fees 250 rupees. For NCC candidates, there is not required to pay any fees. So the eligible candidates can apply for the job before July 16th. And if your friends are eligible for this job, you can recommend the video for there also. If you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comments. Thank you.